Good afternoon, everyone. HIMS and HERS. Well, guys, it hit $50 today. $50 for one share of HIMS and HERS. Congrats to the bulls. Up almost 80% in 1 month, and year to date, it's up 96%. It hasn't hit the all-time high yet of 68 back in February, but you gotta remember, today was pretty much a down market because of the FOMC meeting tomorrow. People are still unclear of what's happening with all the tariff stuff. So with the market not fully back, but HIMS and HERS is moving like this, I feel like it has more room to run. But let's go over that today. What happens next? If you're holding HIMS and HERS, what happens next to this company with the price movements? $11 billion market cap, $49, hit $50 today. This company still has a lot more room to grow. They are expanding internationally. They had really great earnings. The Q1 2025 was probably one of the best earnings report that they had. But if you are buying at these valuation levels, $50, $11 billion valuation, just remember, you don't have much of a margin of safety. I mean, currently it's still 30% from that peak in February. But again, buying it at these levels is a lot more dangerous than buying it at 25. Buying back at $25 around these levels was pretty much the best shot you got at creating a great margin of safety for this company. But $50, I am, again, long term, I am still super bullish on this stock, but purchasing at $50, you do destroy that margin of safety. Here's a HIMS chart. So we're currently looking at the 30-minute right here. Current RSI right now is around 76, so it's super overbought right now. We have a crossing down on the slow stotch, and also the MACD looks like it's about to cross, so we might see some downside on this soon. Again, this stock is currently being overbought. All of crypto Twitter is talking about this stock. It is the hottest stock on the market right now. In the short run, if you are just getting in now or just hearing about this stock now, there will be some pullbacks. It is currently way above the 200-day moving average. If we stick to theory, there is going to be a pullback. But I do think there's a lot more to this upward run and what's happening with this company right now. And one of the biggest reasons is what I think is there is some short covering happening. So going into earnings, this was a highly shorted stock. Over 33% of the shares shorted short, 60 million shares sold short going into earnings, and they just posted blowout numbers. This thing is shooting up, crushing the shorts. But what is happening? What are they doing? Well, this is data from Fintel, so I'm not sure how accurate it is, but HIMS and HERS short shares that are available, and as you could see from 8 hours ago compared to 9 minutes ago, the shorts are actually doubling down. They are fighting back. They want this stock to go down. From the drop of 5.8 million shares short available to 3.6 million shares available suggests that around 2.2 million more shares have been borrowed to short that. So these shorts are doubling down, shorting HIMS and HERS. So short sellers are becoming more active on this stock, borrowing more shares to bet against the stock. They want this thing to come down. Looks like they're stuck in their positions. So they are doubling down. They are doubling down. But yeah, $11 billion valuation. HIMS is almost big enough to be included in the S&P. $49, it hit $50 today. Shorts are doubling down. Blowout earnings. Semi-glutide, Wegovy. What's next? Just to sum up my thoughts, if you purchase this stock back during this dip, congratulations. I would just sit back, relax, and hold and watch the show. If you are one of the newer players and buying it around $50, just know that you don't have a big margin of safety at these levels. Definitely check out my older videos for HIMS and HERS. We'll keep updating this stock for now. But anyways, thanks for watching the channel. If you haven't yet, give a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.